Hello, fantastic human. Welcome back to Paperless X. If you're new to our channel, welcome. In today's video, we will be going through collaboration in Nebo. There's still a lot of work that Nebo needs to do for this feature, but we'll go through what we can do at the moment. We've already reviewed everything else in Nebo, and if you've not seen that video, we will have a link to it in the description down below. To be able to collaborate in the application, you must create a MyScript account. You can do this by simply entering your email address or creating the account from your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. Some people might not like creating an account to access this feature, but this is a model we've seen with other note-taking applications as well. It'll be curious to know why developers seem to favor this so much. Though for Nebo, we could justify this because the application is available on different operating systems. You can then publish your note to start sharing it with other people. Turning on private access lets you add people, allowing you to send emails with a message to specific people. When you send, they receive an email that will direct them to a sign-in page. This setup has both advantages and disadvantages. You can open this on any device, which is awesome. However, if you're a Nebo user, it would be better if the document automatically redirected you to the application when you tap on the link, if you're already signed in into your Nebo account. This logging in step is really just extra work and an unpleasant experience. Your collaborators can only view the document you share with them. They can't interact with it in any way. That doesn't make for a good collaboration feature. They only get the option to copy link or download. If you want some input from them, they have to download this first as either a document, PDF, or Nebo format, make annotations offline, and then publish the changes the same way you did. By the time you finish going back and forth through a document, chances are you might have multiple copies of the same document with different changes from different people. For a digital workflow, this is simply a nightmare. When signed in, your collaborators can view all the documents that have been shared with them and all those they're sharing with other people, and they can tell if those documents are private or public. They can search for documents or sort them by date, name, or owner. And lastly, they can display the documents as thumbnails or lists. You can share link to the public so that anyone with the link can see the document. This is a much faster way to share a document with many people at once. Anyone with that link can open it and view it without signing in. They also have the option to copy link or download the document. When you make any changes to the document, you have to update for everyone to see the changes you've made. Collaboration in Nebo is not in real time and it's one-sided. These are both huge drawbacks for working on documents with other people. Nebo is available on multiple operating systems, perhaps. That poses a lot of challenges bringing changes together in one place from different operating systems in real time. We hope our developers can fix that for us, and we look forward to having more features for collaboration in the application. To stop collaborating, unpublish your notes. We hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Let us know what other videos you'd like to see on this channel. Thank you, fantastic human, for watching. See you in the next video.